This is Mayor Abdul Wahab Sabal of Talitay, Maguindanao. He was shot dead last February 10 in front of a hotel along Quirino Avenue, Malate, Manila. The hotel glass door entrance is broken because Sabal ran towards it after being shot in his SUV. Police were able to recover a slug of an M16 rifle at the crime scene. Initial investigation showed a sniper could have shot the mayor. Investigators are looking at three possible motives.
Habang wala pang clear motive, they're looking on the Rido, no? Yung Rido, yung family feud. No, kasi si Mayor Sabal, marami rito kalaban doon. No, so we're looking on that if there is ano pan. So we are checking with the family kung ano po ang pan. Second, we are also checking on the political side. Kasi doon naman highly politicized yung Talitay. No? So titingnan namin. And lastly, we are also checking if the mayor is involved in illegal drugs.
Sabal was included in Duterte's 2016 narco list. The mayor was in Manila to participate in a presidential event. He was among the 1,700 heads of local government units who attended the meeting with President Duterte in Pasay City.